Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the DC voltage feature on your multimeter, and we're going to test a few batteries. As you can see, the sign V or the letter V with a line running across it, that's the sign for DC voltage. I've set the multimeter on 2 volts because the batteries we're going to be testing are under 2 volts. Should the battery exceed 2 volts, then we change to the next level, which is 20 volts on the meter. So you have your red for positive and you have your black for negative. I'm just testing a AAA remote battery here to give you guys an idea. So black on negative, red on positive. And let's see the reading. Ignore the negative sign that appears in front of the voltage. So this is giving us 1.352 volts. So out of 1.5 volts, this battery is reading 1.352. So it is still in good shape, still in good condition. It still has voltage. This is another AAA battery. Now this is reading under 1 volt, and as you can see, the voltage is dropping rapidly. So this is dropping below 0.7 volts. So that battery is definitely weak and is a problem. So I've taken the AAA battery again and we're testing it again. We're getting the same voltage, 1.352 volts. Remember, my meter is still on 2 volts. This is a AA battery, Duracell battery. Ignore the negative sign that appears in front of the voltage. So this battery, out of 1.5 volts, this measures 1.475, which is excellent. So that battery is fairly new. This is another AA battery. This battery is 1.372 out of 1.5 volts, so that's also fairly good. Out of 1.5 volts, that battery registers as 1.350, which is also pretty good. Alright, now this is a 6 volt battery, guys. I want to show you guys the feature using a different battery. This is a Panasonic 6 volt scale battery, and we're going to be testing this. So now, since that we are testing something that's greater than 2 volts, we cannot keep the meter in 2 volts. So I'm changing it to the next setting, which is 20 volts. So out of 6 volts, this is giving us a voltage of 0.30. So this tells me that this battery is gone bad. The acid inside is probably drying up, or this battery definitely needs replacing. This battery is dead. It needs charging, or it needs replacing. So there you have it, guys. That's how you test your voltage on your batteries.